Okay, ready?
Ready!
Commonly used acronym by the Philippine government. DepEd.
Ah!
Department of Education.
Tama. Department of
Education.
Education. FDA.
Ako.
Para saan ba yun? Food and Drugs Administration?
Tama. Food and Drug Administration. DOH.
Wait lang, nasanta ako sa sarili ko.
DOH.
Department of Health.
Tama. Department of Health. NFA.
National Food Authority.
DA.
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 Department of
Department of Administration.
Department of Agriculture.
Ay, oo nga.
Tamang
Tama
tete.
yun.
BFP.
Bureau Fire Protection. Ay, naririnig. Bureau of Fire Protection. Mali!
Tama. PHIC.
Ano? Philippine Health Insurance Corporation.
Tama. Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. BIR.
BIR. Ayoko na.
BIR.
Bureau of Internal
Ay, na eh.
Tama. MMDA.
Police.
MMDA.
Mandatory. Charis, tama.
Mali.
Proud siya sa mandatory eh.
MMDA.
Metropolitan Manila Development Application.
Metropolitan Manila Development Authority.
MDA.
CHED.
Shed. Nabasa.
Shed.
Hindi ko lang. Waiting shed.
CHED.
Shed. Pass. Pass.
CHED. CHED.
Child Education.
Mali.
Yun sa akin, kay child.
CHED.
Oh, that's mine.
Commission on Higher Education. DOE.
Department of Energy.
Tama. Department of Energy. LTO.
Wait lang. Land Transportation Office.
Wow. Ang galing naman.
NGO.
Ano? Ay, alam ko yun na pag-aaral ng grade 10 yan. Non-governmental organization.
Tama.
Ano na ito? Tatlo.
DOJ.
Department of
Justice.
Tama.
Justin.
NBI.
National Bank Incorporation.
Mali.
Hindi pa na bangko yun.
PNP.
PNP. Philippine
National Police.
National Police.
Tama?
Tama.
Philippine Police. Philippine National Police.
Philippine National Philippine.
NSO.
NSO.
Birth Certificate. National System.
Mali.
National Service Examination.
Mali.
Tama sir.
Ay, oo pala.
NSO.
National.
PSA na lang.
National. Self. Charis.
Self.
Hanggang Jaya.
Ano ba yun?
NSO.
National Statistic Office.